Today, we'll review the top 5 best silt socks for erosion control, evaluating their durability, material, and environmental impact. From biodegradable options to those designed for heavy-duty applications, we've got you covered. Let's start with Filtrexx SiltSoxx that stands out for its innovative approach to erosion control, utilizing locally sourced, recycled organic materials wrapped in either photodegradable or biodegradable mesh. This delivers a remarkable 50% increase in flow-through rate over traditional silt fences. What makes SiltSoxx truly versatile is its wide range of sizes, catering to diverse applications from inlet protection to stabilizing pavements or frozen ground. Next, we have the Menards SiltSoxx. This 20-foot-long silt sock offers an eco-conscious erosion control solution, packed with 100% wood recycled from construction debris. This material ensures an inert, seed-free, and low-moisture content filler. Their reusability factor also adds to their appeal, offering a sustainable option for managing erosion effectively. The Pig Sediment Filter Sock is ideal for a range of applications, including storm drains, trench and inlet drains, and even as a check dam. This product ensures maximum contact on uneven terrain and can be shaped to enclose areas fully, presenting a superior alternative to straw wattles and silt fences. It also uses a natural, recycled media that guarantees shelf stability and mold resistance. Unique in its approach, Peach Country provides just the high-quality silt sock erosion control fabric, allowing you the flexibility to choose both the length and the filtering material that best suits your project's needs. This customizable solution tackles a variety of erosion and sediment control challenges with precision, ensuring effective water filtration and protection for your site. Last but not the least, the Terrafix SiltSoxx. It is designed with a durable multi-filament polypropylene mesh, packed with pH-neutral, environmentally friendly wood chips, guarantees no weed, seed, or disease intrusion. In compliance, this Terrafix SiltSoxx meets the rigorous standards, marking it a top-tier choice for effective, sustainable erosion and sediment control. And that's it for the best silt socks available in the market. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button for more insightful reviews.